Okay, uh, this chapter this chapter talks about financial planning. Okay, financial planning plays a critical role in everyone's life. Okay, what is financial planning? Is nothing but to identify your goals. Okay, identify your financial goals and estimate the future needs and put them in place. Okay, that is what we call as a financial planning. Now, financial planning is based on the different goals we have. Our goals can be classified into three categories, which is what we call as short term. It can be either short term goals, it can be medium term goals, and it can be long term goals. What is your short term goal? Buying a TV, going for a vacation. Okay, that is what we call as a short term, that is within 3 years approximately. Medium term is 5 years, 5 to 6 to 7 is medium term, buying a house. Okay, long term is what more than 10 years and above, putting for children's education, retirement. Okay, these types. Now quickly I will take you through the different economic life cycle through which a person goes through. So there are three phases normally. One is our student phase, working phase, and retirement phase. Student phase is the phase, as we know, is a pre-job phase. Okay, it's before you're getting to start earning. Working is the period from earning age, okay, till retirement. And retired phase, stop working. Now more critical part is this life cycle. This we have to understand what is this life cycle. Learner is a phase where you will be a student, okay, where every financial requirement will be taken care by parents. Okay, earner phase where one starts earning. This is the right time to start your financial planning and put your financial plans in place. Now, what is more priority for him is going to be uh, for this person. What is going to be priority is going to be savings. Okay, this savings is going to be a priority for this person, because we will discuss about this when it comes to products. Savings is a priority for him. Partner, when one gets married, you have one dependent. So for this phase, it is going to be protection and savings. Okay, protection and savings both are required. See, as number of protection is nothing but coverage, insurance coverage. That is, if something happens, if death happens, the money required. That is what we call as protection, is death benefit. So in this phase, protection is required. 35 to 80 for towards parenting, where you have kids. Here also, both protection and savings. Priority for protection keeps on increasing depending on the number of dependents you have. Provident is where the parents have to fulfill child's need. Here it is going to be savings part. Empty nester, savings. Okay, this is pre-retirement period. And retirement period, where one gets retired. There is no regular source. Here he is using his past savings. Okay. Here you have what is, how is he utilizing this? He is going to utilize his past savings in his retirement period. Okay, he is going to enjoy his life using past. Now needs, individual needs, as we have mentioned, there are three. Wherever you require a fund, okay, an emergency fund is what we call as the needs. Okay, needs can be different types. One, it can be for your future transactions. Okay, that is to provide education for your kid, for marriage or retirement. That is what we call as future transaction. Contingencies is unexpected, meeting your unexpected, unforeseen situations, hospitalization, loss of job, death. Okay, this is what contingency. Wealth accumulation is nothing but increasing the money value of your existing savings. See, already I have some savings in my hand. I have to increase that value. Okay, so I have to look to make that money grow. So enabling future transactions is nothing but to meet my future requirements. So what does I require there is cash. Okay, so for meeting my future transaction, I have to look into transactional products. Okay, future transaction is related to, you have to look into transactional products. Okay, transactional products. And what is transactional product is cash. Okay, so here what you require, enabling feature exchange, you require cash. Meeting contingency, how will you meet your contingency? Is through insurance. Now wealth creation, how will you create wealth? By investing into high returns. Okay, investments which gets better returns like shares or bonds. Okay, this is what we call as. Okay, so transactional products is to meet my feature requirements. I have bank deposits. Cash requirement is cash is required. Okay, here we require cash, so bank can be preferred. Contingency, insurance can be used. Unexpected. Wealth accumulation, as I mentioned, shares or bonds, because you want to look into a high growth perspective. Role of financial planning, it is a process in which clients current and future needs are considered. Okay, so depending on there are different types of planning you can do investment, risk management, estate planning. Estate planning is nothing but for next generation, planning for next generation. Retirement planning, tax planning. Now what is the right time? Right time is to start a financial planning is whenever who starts his first salary. Okay, why there is a need for financial planning? Because remember, nowadays the joint family system has broken down. Okay, so there is no one to support. The nuclear family system has come up. Okay, so there is a huge requirement for people to financially support, because in olden days, if there is a financial emergency in a joint family system, someone would come forward to help you. Now there is no one. Okay, number one thing, so that you have to look into. Number two, the choice has increased, so people have confusion where I'm supposed to invest, which investment I should go, which investment suits me. That is, then you are changing lifestyle. It's not constant. Okay, your life keeping on varying. For example, let us take education. Before days, engineering was a big one. Today now it has changed. People are looking into specialization. Let us take a normal MBBS. Before, now no, you have to be a specialist. So changing, and most of our inflation, your loss of purchasing power. Inflation is nothing but increase in price. Inflation is increase in price. What is inflation? Inflation is nothing but increase in price. Okay, so what is naturally happening? Increasing in price means you're losing your purchasing power. Okay, you are losing purchasing power. Okay, because your money value is coming down, so there is a loss in purchasing power. Okay, loss of purchasing power, so you cannot purchase a particular product. For example, suppose you have 100 rupees today in your hand. Okay, if you have 100 rupees in hand, tomorrow due to inflation the value of 100 will come down. Okay, so you cannot purchase a particular product. Loss of purchasing power. So what are the types of financial planning available for you? Financial planning, there are different types. Cash planning, okay, planning how to spend your money in a wise manner. Investments, increasing your returns, how to increase your returns. Why should I invest in the sense, for example, to utilize this money in future requirements like education, that is investment. Insurance, to meet your unexpected emergencies. Retirement, to ensure that you have a proper retired life, or you have an income, post retired income. This is based on the future past savings. Okay, in retirement is based on past savings. Estate planning, to ensure assets for the next generation and in the most tax effective manner. So these are what we different types of financial planning which we